Hi everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Anastasia and I'm the owner of VegShe. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. It's always nice to have you here. So today we're going to be talking about workout consistency and the tips and tricks that I offer to my clients and that I also use for myself. So full transparency, I'm not usually motivated to do my workout, and so I have to set up a structure for myself to ensure that I do it. And don't get me wrong, I always feel better once the workout is done. It's just getting myself to do it in the first place can sometimes be challenging. So the first thing that I usually recommend that my clients do is determine what their goals are and determine based on the way that they've been eating or their nutrition, how much exercise they need to do to reach those goals. So determine the very bare minimum that you need to do each week to be consistent. So let's say it's 3 times a week. Once you determine how many workouts you need to do, also determine based on your effort in a regular workout, how long the workout should be. I usually like to do 30-minute workouts. It keeps my interest and it doesn't really interrupt the rest of my day because everybody's got 30 minutes. No matter how busy you are, everybody's got 30 minutes. So I try my best to do a minimum of 5 30-minute workouts a week. Sometimes I end up doing 6, but I try for 5. So determine what that minimum is, the non-negotiable bare minimum number of workouts you're gonna do no matter what. Once you figure out what that number is and how long those workouts are gonna be, get out your calendar or whatever you do to keep track of things. Everybody's gotta be writing their schedule down somewhere, or if you're keeping it in your head, make a mental note, but I usually find writing things down is more effective. So on my calendar, I have scheduled out, and you can do this at the beginning of each week or do it in advance. I have all my workouts scheduled out, and I usually work out at 1 p.m. Monday through Friday, and then I teach a class on Saturday. So that's where I get my 6th workout. I don't spend more than 30 minutes exercising. And I think one thing that really helps me is I change up my format so that I don't get bored. So it could be HIIT, low impact, strength, or just different styles. So yoga, spin, Zumba, whatever it is that you're into, Pilates, change it up. That way it keeps your interest. It's something you'll actually want to do, and then you'll be consistent with it. I think another thing too is to take these appointments with yourself seriously. So I think it's easy for us to blow off stuff that we have scheduled for ourselves, but we don't necessarily, unless you're flaky, which some people are, and that's okay, but for the most part, we're not gonna like blow off our parents for some sort of special dinner or whatever. So I don't see why you wouldn't take appointments with yourself just as seriously, because they are just as important. Your health, it's all you've got. It's incredibly important. You have to make time for it if you want to feel well. And this isn't just about appearance. This is just about maintaining your body and thanking it for all the work that it does for you. So set aside those appointments, change up your formats. Don't make your workouts crazy long. You're not going to want to do them and you're going to burn out. That's pretty much the gist of it. That's what I like to do. That's what's worked for me. That's what works for my clients. So baby steps and consistency, I think, are gonna get you further than trying to go hard like every day. Yeah, so that's what I have for you. I hope that you found this helpful. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to chatting with you again soon. Thanks so much, everybody. Take care.